Nobody wakes up in the morning excited to watch another boring real estate video about interest rates, average home prices. So how do you make sure your videos actually reflect your brand and not just dry information that puts people to sleep? Here's the truth. Your brand isn't just your logo, your headshot, or your tagline. Your brand is you. It's your personality, your style, your values, and the way people feel when they interact with you. And if your videos don't showcase that, then you're missing the #1 reason people choose an agent: connection. But if all you're doing is rattling off facts and numbers, you're blending in with every other agent out there. What makes you different, what makes you memorable, is your personal brand. So how do you make that come through in your videos? First, lean in to your personality. Authenticity is what makes people feel like they already know you. Second, add storytelling. Instead of just saying staging is important, tell a quick story about a client who staged their home and sold for above asking. People remember stories way more than they remember stats. Third, show your lifestyle and your community. Don't limit your videos to you sitting at a desk. Take your audience into a neighborhood, a coffee shop, a park, or a local event. Film your market update while walking down Main Street. This not only makes your content more engaging, but it also ties your brand to local expertise. When people see your passions, they see you as more than an agent. They see you as a relatable human being. Bottom line, real estate information is important, but it's your brand that makes the difference. People don't want to hear just facts. They want to know who they'll be working with. And when your videos showcase your personality and your lifestyle, your values and your community, they stop being just real estate videos and start becoming your brand in action. And when people feel like they know you and like you and trust you from your videos, that's when they'll become your clients.